welcome back dito sa Full-Time Moms. Kanina, we got to know all about our future. Kadalasan maganda syempre nakita sa atin, pero there's also a way to know our future for this year, and that is according to Chinese horoscope.
At may bad year, may good year, at may pang good luck para sa lahat. We'll talk more about it with Miss Joy.
Hello, yay! Welcome, Joy!
Glad to be here. Nice to be here. I'd like to be with you here. So you can tell us more about Year of the Tiger.
Okay, to start with, itong pasok ng taon is Year of the Metal Tiger. It's actually a metal year, tapos tiger wood. So, ibig sabihin, nagka-clash yung element ng tiger, ng wood, at saka ng metal. Now, that's the reason why karamihan ng mga, lahat halos ng experts, sinasabi nila na it will be a difficult year for everyone. Dahil mag-contra ang metal at saka wood. Ito, depende pa rin to sa atin. Like, kasi I had this small tour sa SM Mamo, nag-iikot-ikot ako. That's where I got the idea. Kasi lagi kong tinatanong to sa mga tao, what happens to the wood when metal chops the wood? May sumagot na, tatlo sila. Yung sagot ng isang matanda, wala na mangyayari sa tao. Sira na daw yung kahoy kasi na-chop na ng metal. And then may isang, siguro interior designer, sabi niya, pwede natin gawing home decors, ganyan. And then may biglang sumagot na bata, 7-year-old sa Jose Abad Santos, so siya nag-aaral. Silya, sabi niya, chair. Oo nga naman, out of the destroyed wood, pwede mo gawing upuan, na upuan that you'll be in good hand. So ibig sabihin, kahit ano pang hirap na nakikita natin, wag natin siya tingnan sa mahirap na, tingnan natin siya na marami tayong pwedeng makuha doon sa mahirap na yun.
So would you say that metal would be some lucky this year?
Yes, for like, if we base on the business or what, we base on metal year, kung jewelry ang business mo, it's good this year. If it's fire, then not so good, kasi you melt the metal. So it depends on like the businesses kung ano yung gusto nilang pasukan. We base on the elements of the year.
May certain signs ba na talaga compatible sa tiger?
Actually, yeah, we have dalawa kasi yung pwede natin. We have like mga formulas kung saan malalaman natin yung kung ano ang good year at saka bad year. We calculate that based on the forecast. So ito, like kung ikaw ay, let's say,
Archie, anong year?
Horse.
Yes, horse. For Year of the Horse, ingatan mo, huwag masyadong mainitin ang ulo kasi pwede kang, it might lead to court cases, gano'n. Kaya kailangan patience, para good luck yung papasok sa'yo. Ang horse kasi, simple of pain yan eh. So kung gusto mo nang maging talagang ma-maintain mo, lalo ka pang sumikat, check on the south kasi yun yung bahay ng horse. Ilagay mo yung horse doon, tulak horse, para sikat na sikat ka.
Tsaka kung bibigyan niyo ako ng charm.
Yeah, for the horse kasi since mainitin ng ulo, para bumait, we have Buddha bracelet.
Yeah, that's a Buddha bracelet.
This brings good news sa'yo. And then, may mantra tayo, it's a Tibetan mantra actually. This year, since it's Year of the Tiger, di ba ang tiger matapang, parang walang patawad, yung alam mo yun? Kaya ito yung mantra, ito yung sa lahat ng pagsubok na pwede mong ma-encounter this year, aalisin yan sa'yo. It's a Tibetan mantra na nakaukit na siya doon. So ito will help you overcome obstacles and trials. And then the Buddha naman is for harmonious relationship. May Buddha happy. So ibig sabihin, magiging happy ang two-ten.
Hindi naman po tataba.
Pero maraming anak si Buddha, di ba? Kaya talaga all around. Balik na naman tayo doon. Balik na kayo.
Pero Archie, alam mo si Buddha, guwapo siya dati.
Dati.
Puro kamalasan naman, Miss Jen.
Pataba. Dahil mas more on serving God siya than serving the people.
Yun po talaga ako eh.
Yun.
Church, library.
Yes. Kaya pwede ka na rin magpataba.
Year naman. Year of the what?
Ox po.
Ox. Okay. Ox is, ingat ka ngayon sa illnesses and accident. Yun yung magiging fate mo. Kaya lang, Rainier, napapansin mo ba na lahat na lang hindi halos nagmamaterialize yung mga dreams mo? Parang andun na, nauudot siya. Ang ox kasi, this one is for all the ox. Lahat ng mga ox, kailangan makinig sila. Kasi hindi ito makikita sa internet. Ngayon, during my talk ko lang ito sinasabi. Di ba yung ox, Kalabaw yan, na umagang-umaga pa, they work so hard, umaga pa, nag-aalaro na sila, arahan ng araro, para mag-aantay sila na may maha-harvest. Yung ganun ka, yung sipag mo andon, sipag-sipag. Tapos biglang may andoy, may natural disaster, may mga insekto, patay. Lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo, wala. Kung minsan kulang na kulang pa. Fate na yan ng ox. Ang kailangan mo, bell and teapot. The teapot, kasi it warms your, di ba yun symbolizes na meron kang mainit na tubig na pwede mong inumin or kape na pwede mong inumin. So, ibig sabihin, magiging malakas ka.
Okay.
So, against everything, you'll be very, very strong.
Alright.
The bell naman will warn you in case of, may mangyari.
calamities.
So, you can bring this home, this
Which
one.
one?
It's a teapot.
Ayun. Ayan. Saan niya ilalagay ang joy?
Yung bahay mo. Yes. And
Susunod mo yan, parang ganito.
ingat siya ngayon sa illness and accidents. So, ito yung illness and accidents.
Ayan, yan.
Ano to? Ano to?
It's a holy gourd. Holy gourd. Oh, yeah. Parang may basag. Here.
Ayan.
So, that one,
Sheena naman, ano ang iyong sign?
yan. For ano yan, protection
Ayan.
from illnesses and accidents.
Nice one.
Ayan,
Yes.
ayan. Para safe ka
And
na.
then, Miss Sheila, you are year of the
Rabbit.
rabbit.
Rabbit, wow.
tayo.
Good year. Good year na ang rabbit this year. Pero hindi kasi naging maswerte ang rabbit last year. But this year, how was your year last year? Okay ba?
Okay naman po last year.
Good,
Swerte naman
very
po ako
good.
last
So,
year.
very good, very good. Kung ganun, di tuloy-tuloy yan, ibig sabihin. Rabbit is heaven's luck this year. Kaya lahat tayo, we need rabbit inside our house.
Yeah.
Are we one?
Si Sheena, papatuloy na sa bahay niyo.
Because it brings us heaven's
Buhay
luck.
po, buhay.
Buhay, pwede rin. Yeah, real one will do.
Eh kung yung
That's why.
kakainin po, pwede rin.
Yeah. Pwede. Awesome.
So yan, rabbit should be east of the house. So kung tayo gusto natin ng heaven's luck, if you want heaven's luck then, kailangan nyo ng rabbit sa east of the house. Isama nyo sa waterfalls. Lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay rabbit. So yan, you need this one. And then, dahil ito ay heaven's luck, so maganda yung kumikinang-kinang. Yan, ito pwede sa'yo. This one, the one, symbolizes heaven. Yan.
Ayan.